Vicky here. Welcome to the money saving tip of the week. This is a brand new series that I'm going to be bringing to you every single week right here on this channel. So if you don't want to miss any of these money saving tips, make sure that you are subscribed to this channel. And don't forget to ring the notification bell so that you don't miss out on these money savers. To kick off our weekly series, today's money saving tip is meal prepping. Yes, you can save lots and lots of money by preparing your meals in bulk for the week and freezing them. So what you're going to have to do for meal prepping is you have to decide on what day of the week you're going to cook up all your meals. Yeah, I know somebody's thinking, oh, that sounds boring, because now it means we're going to have to eat the same meal for the whole week. Absolutely not. You do not have to eat the same meal every single night, which is where planning and preparation comes in. If you plan your meals well, you can make multiple meals all in one day. So that aspect of meal planning before preparing your meals is going to allow you to have a variety of meals every single day throughout the week. You can plan on what meals you are going to have on a day-to-day basis before you go out grocery shopping and gathering all the ingredients that you are going to need. There are a number of ways in which you can go about your meal preparation. For example, you can choose to meal preps using different ingredients. So that is, you are cooking individual ingredients that you will be using for a different variety of meals throughout the week. That is batch boiled eggs. That is, if you boil a pot of eggs, you don't only have to use them for breakfast. You can also use those eggs to prepare a spring salad or a potato salad. Same with chicken. You can grill or roast your chicken breast, which you can either use in a salad or as a pasta dish or something like that. You get my point, right? So this way you can prep up different ingredients and freeze them in individual containers per daily saving. Talking about containers, you can get meal prep containers from Amazon. I hope I remember to leave a link in the description box of some of these meal prep containers that you can buy from Amazon. And another way you can meal prep is you can cook a whole meal and then freeze them in daily portions that are enough for your family for each day. You can do this with different recipes or different meals. This way you have a variety of meals. Just make sure that you are freezing enough and not too much per daily portion for your family. The advantage with meal prep is that not only do you save on time, but it can be a family come together event. And most families that do meal preps, they choose to do this on Sunday, and hence it's called Meal Prep Sundays. You can also choose to do it on Saturdays or whatever day that works for you. I love meal prep because another advantage and benefit of meal prepping is that it helps you eliminate spending a lot of time in the kitchen on a day-to-day basis. And with meal prepping, you just have to deal with the plates and containers that you will be using on that particular evening or day, whatever the case is. Because you are saving so much time meal prepping, you get to spend more time working in your home-based business, making money for your family. How about that? You also get to spend more quality time bonding with your family and creating beautiful memories, because all your meals are ready. All you do is just warm them up and eat together as a family. So with that being said, my friends, this is it for our very first money saving tip of the week. Are you going to consider meal prep? If you do want a more detailed video on meal prepping, how it saves you money and time, just leave a comment below and I'll make sure that I bring that video to you. And please let me know how this video benefited you. And until next time, remember to subscribe, share, comment, like, all the good stuff. And don't forget to check out my other videos throughout this channel. From my heart to yours, remember to do small things with great love. And don't forget to prepare your meals in advance and save yourself some time and money. I love you. See you next time.